I would like to introduce you to our new syringe for viscous liquids. I'll tell you why standard syringes don't work well with viscous liquids and ours does. I will describe some applications that can be done with ours and cannot be done with standard syringes. Here is a standard syringe barrel. It's just a tube with an opening at the top and a spout at the bottom. Liquid is poured into the open end. A plunger is entered into the open end, capable of accurately ejecting the liquid, but there is air between the plunger and the liquid. Air is compressible. It makes the syringe inaccurate. It must be removed. It's easy to get the air out if the liquid is not viscous. Just turn the syringe over with the spout on top. Liquid will fall and bubbles will rise until the air between the plunger and the liquid is gone. The liquid is on the bottom over the plunger and all the air has been removed. There is no way to get the air out for viscous liquid. Turn the syringe and the liquid does not fall. It stays on top. Here's where we introduce our new syringe. It comes in two parts. One part, the handle, has a screw on the end. The second part, the nut, can mate with the screw. It has O-ring seals to the barrel. A small hole in the nut can let air through. This enlarged view of the screw and nut shows some details. There are shallow grooves on the edge of the screw, which go halfway up. Note the concave shape at the bottom of the nut. In the closed position, the screw's all the way down in the nut. A bit of rubber on the end presses on the hole and seals it completely. The grooves are completely covered by the nut and have no effect. In the open position, air can pass through the hole, the screw, and the grooves into the space above and out. So, how do you get the air out of a syringe? Set it to open, insert the plunger into the syringe, and move it down until it reaches the liquid. Close the plunger, and you're done. The concave shape on the nut bottom ensures that all of the air has been removed, not just most of it. What can you do with such a syringe? We have designed and built here in Connecticut a stepper motor controlled server. It's a device that mounts a 30cc syringe and uses a fine-pitch stepping motor. Outputs liquid from it in microliter units. A 30cc syringe holds 30,000 units. Syringes are easily exchanged so that any amount of liquid can be output. Alternatively, precision mixtures of liquids can be made. This is an experimental unit that we designed and had built in Vietnam. It handles 1cc, 5cc, and 10cc syringes. Here is another unit built in North Haven, Connecticut. It controls a 30cc syringe, as previously described. A full description of it will be forthcoming in a future video. That's not all, folks. There is more that you can do with this syringe. Because of the fact that air can move in both directions, it's easy to remove the plunger without disturbing the remaining liquid. You can then add more liquid of the same type. Remove the air as before and continue to output the liquid in microliter units. You can't do that with standard syringes. That means that you can use one syringe to output an unlimited amount of liquid with microliter precision.